Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. If your Cricut is refusing to connect via Bluetooth right now, I know how annoying that is. Bluetooth issues aren't a sign you did something wrong, but they're just one of those tech quirks that happens to everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly which Windows settings to adjust so your Cricut connects to Bluetooth without a hitch. On your taskbar, click on the arrow icon to locate the hidden icons. Now, double-click on the Bluetooth icon. After that, scroll down to Device Settings, open the drop-down menu and make sure the Advanced option is selected. After that, you can try again to connect your Cricut to your computer using Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy-to-follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.